Just want to give an update on the plants, how the nursery went. Okay, so that one wasn't successful, as you can see. That's the garden eggs, and that was, we've taken half of, grown it, replanted it. So that's there's the pepper here. The garden eggs didn't work, but at least now we know. Um, let's check on the. See, the plantain is working. You see the old ones coming off and the new ones springing out. That means it's affected the land. See, all these ones are springing out. See, that means it's working. There's one on that side as well, working. Um, this place is deceptive. This is what the land looks like, right? And that bit waterlogged there is what happens when, from this side of the road, it gets waterlogged, as you can see from there. So apparently the history is there was a stream and people blocked it for a couple decades now. And because they've blocked it, the water needs to go somewhere and it causes that. So that's where you can buy a house, land, and the land changes from this place is a great place to it becomes waterlogged. You see, there's water there, water there. So the tomatoes is showing us. Look at that. And this will carry on forever. Plantain, almost you can't never get rid of it because the offspring will never stop. The pear, I can't see the pear. It was meant to be coming out. Maybe it's got a bit. I can see a bit of a bump, so maybe it's coming through, but it hasn't come through yet. I hope the goats haven't. Oh, this is just broken. Okay, so this is just come off from wherever gravity or whatever. It's kind of slowed it down. I can see this one here springing out, so it's bought into it. So most of them, all 17 of them, is coming out well. Let's see here. See this one. Until these old shells come out, I wouldn't know whether it's working or not. That don't look right. I can see here it's a bit dry. What's this one? What's this? Nah, that's just a normal. I don't know if that's interesting. I'm not sure about that one. So that one hasn't sprung out yet. Yeah. So it might be a bit too early. This one is blossoming, as you can see. Blossoming is coming out. My mango, let me see. Woohoo! My mango is working. It's starting to have little shoots. These ones here. There's a new one coming out. This one is shooting out. It took me 3 years for me to have the guts to say, okay, fine. You lot said it's not going to work. I'm going to try it and see. Because everyone kept telling me from a distance, from across the road, that it's not going to work. Look at the corn springing out. See? So try yourself. Don't let someone tell you that it's like this, it's like this. Fine. Now you know, isn't it? The beans coming out very, very well. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Fantastic. The beans come out very, very well. And granites coming out well as well. probably need to come and check it out. It's probably good to maintain it. Some of them this spring, you can see this one here. So it does a flower, and the flower changes into the seed or the beans, that flower there, and that will come soon. So I can see this bit here didn't quite work, so we have to grow a bit more to kind of in between it, and it depends on where you buy the seed. So I know this seed is good to buy. But yeah, just wanted to show you a lot of progress and what it looks like. Look at the beans springing out, fantastic. Apparently in a month's time we should be able to get beans and groundnut. Should do well. But yeah, very, very happy. Very happy. Bit by bit. Bit by bit. Trial and error. And asking. That's where knowledge is from. Knowledge is from trial and error. Someone observed it, decided it wasn't right, decided the universe goes this way, wrote it down. Someone says, nah, this way and that way. Few people got it wrong. Don't just read what the hell you want and then assume that's everything. No. Look at that. This one's doing well as well. Fantastic.